2018. We're back.
We're back. We're back. And we're cutting a piece of shit over here.
So we stop swearing.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Straight away.
Piece of poo.
Oh, he's having an orgasm.
There's been got that grip. Grip that you get.
Oh.
Like that.
Yeah, so we're in the hub, and today we're going to be cutting up Sheldon's car.
I don't know think.
As you can see, Sheldon's car. Ready for wide arch things.
But can I say first? Look at them jeans, look how tight they are.
Oh yeah.
I found Keith.
What happens when we skip lip there though, innit? Alright, go on, flex. Give us a flex. Okay. Right, Paul.
No.
What's up? Yeah,
That's gonna look wank, that is. What are you doing with your car?
How's it got that?
what are they for?
Are they not for your car, are they?
No, they're universal. How are we universal? Look at it, but
What are you gonna do with the bump though?
I'm mentioning it.
It's got a little like tooth pouch. I reckon that'll look better on your van.
Here, Sheldon. Sheldon, don't
What?
ignore me. 2016 called, they want the style back.
No.
David needs a loading car.
Fake lows. Fake lows, mate. We're gonna about that bit on the end there. Drop that up.
No.
Eh? How's it gonna work? It sticks out.
It's sick wide arch, bro, yeah? It's meant to stick out.
Hey. Oh, fuck off. Alright, bit ash. Yeah.
So yeah, today involves masking up, cutting the arch, potentially fitting the arch, but we're probably not going to fit the arch because Sheldon's a bit of a loser. And yeah, see what happens.
Sheldon's taking it. Has he taken it off? Has it confiscated already?
Becky?
If you peel that off, put it line up.
It's a lot smaller.
How are we going to do this? It won't fit.
Yeah, look that way.
I think what you need to do, Sheldon, is think like, what would Mr. RWB do?
Just chop it.
I get a 5 seconds drink beer.
Come on, man.
Touch kids.
Hey, we got Bud.
Yeah. Beer.
I thought these were made for your car.
I think you need to put a cig in your mouth, but Ellen might shout at you.
Alright, no, put beer in his hand.
Put beer in his hand twice.
Beer in his hand is alright.
Oh, so if he has a beer in his hand, he's allowed to drink.
What do you want to do?
You told her what, mate?
That won't be spoken today. You
No,
won't.
no, mate, you didn't tell her nothing.
Hey, hold up. Hold up. I'll light you a cig. Come on, hand this man a...
You're saying damn shit.
Just drill it.
Just get some masking tape.
Who a bastard. Someone help him then.
No.
Don't just laugh at him.
Right, come on, what we doing?
Trying to make the impossible happen.
Can I use an angle grinder?
Yeah, you need to cut that first, don't you? You're better off making that.
Right round like this, okay. Like that.
You need to go right round for Instagram, did you say?
For that gram.
Oh.
Doesn't take long, does it?
Absolutely not, no.
Oh, fucking hell.
Like that.
What? Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Battle of the brains right there. Look at them two.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there. Oh, don't use that again, it'll fall off.
Get some tip. Well, get me the drill and I'll put a hole in it. That's very close. That's very close.
Self-tapper the fucker.
And that is very close to that, so.
Wait, I got some nails. Straight in.
Clouted.
Sheldon, quick question on HoHo Cam. Do you wish you'd never done your car here now?
Just think you wouldn't have if Becky didn't leave.
What are there?
Pancake.
Henry. Becky's here!
Yeah.
That is her car.
It's not.
I thought that.
When you don't know what you're doing, what do you do?
I don't want it to
Sit there and look at his car.
Sorry, man.
Guess it was not meant to sit that low.
No, you need to put in, don't it?
No.
But yeah, that was.
Mate, you won't be able to air out there though. It's on the floor.
All the lows.
Oh, he's gonna cry.
Yellow polo.
He's gonna cry. Wait, two. Right, serious shit, what?
Watching Exposition.
But missionary himself.
Right.
Cut off of there.
I think the bottom bit's a bit too low.
I just said that one should be a bit further around it. I just said, you want to line this up? With that part of bump.
No. I want it that high. I want it to match at front.
Quite after what we think.
No, I'm actually positioning a fucking wheel.
Does it match your arch? Is it in line with your arch?
Well, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, like it's just about there. It's like it's a bit lower there and a bit higher there. But there it goes.
What are you doing?
Gary Neville, mate.
Gary Neville level. Here, get Gary Neville on it.
Hey.
Here.
You're going to club at the end.
You're a golf owner, what do you think?
Oh, it's alright.
Would you do it?
No.
That's because you're not gay. This is the bit of the video, right, where I'm just going to put question marks all over his head. Here, it's your car, do what you want. What, here, I've got a question,
Go on.
What's your mind telling you? What's your body telling you?
His mind's saying, I'm trying to rob his fucking car, really.
Yeah, I shouldn't have invited you lot.
What's your body telling you though? I'm glad I invited us.
No.
But my body's telling me yes. Cut the arch. Touching is not going to help you now.
Yeah.
That's a good point, eh? You do your foot first. He's got a spare front arch.
Are we going for that or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, just grow some butch, do it, mate.
End of the day, right, you're going to spend half an hour. I'm going to put it up.
End of the day, right? What's the worst that can happen? You cut your arch, it's wrong.
Buy a new one.
Yeah, just buy a new car.
Yeah, just sell it to Mohawk, goes right off.
Can we do that big sigh again, please? Take two.
Death taxes.
Turn the music down a bit, Gary.
I'm having J. Cole copyright.
Right, we're going for it.
Yeah.
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 I'm not going to drill into what I'm
Yeah.
Whoa, filling it.
Good luck, mate.
Fill the neck goes out, doesn't it? Does it go?
If your car blows up, mate.
Doesn't it, Neil?
What?
Fill the neck goes out, doesn't it? It doesn't go fucking straight down.
Neil knows. Neil knows.
He goes up to the inner arch.
Oh, hold on. Let me just. Hold on. I need to get this.
Whoa! Oh no, Shell! What are you doing, Sheldon? You're ruining the car! No! Oh no! Why? Forgive me, VW Lord, for I have sinned.
first looking all through.
Oh mate, look at all these.
Snap it through.
Oh, that one hurt. Oh, look at that face.
Fucking hell.
Oh. Boom, petrol tank. Hey Sheldon, what's that plug under the car?
Fucking.
No one likes sick. I'm gonna blow.
Time is it?
Oh mate.
What you gonna do now? You found on it shit.
Hey, tell you what though,
rocketing
on a
price.
good note, at least you got your feature in before you done this. Because you won't get a feature afterwards. Plug next month, me and him. That's Car Magazine.
Yep.
Did you know that? Good man. Oh, you've ruined the lines and everything now.
Oh shit.
No, my 5 R32s are going up in value.
That would have been to Moon and back.
No, Neil sold me that free.
Not this one.
Not this one, not anymore.
This has got
No,
more interior.
Interior for sale. Very good quality. How much? How much for the interior? Plug your interior, man. Plug it.
£7.80.
1600.
1600. You can have all of this.
Look at all the cow.
Genuine, retrimmed in suede steering wheel, stitched by a blind man.
Here is said blind man.
Oh my god! Oh no!
Some like
Ow!
little paint or something so you can paint inside your own.
Oh no! Genuine question! Stop! Genuine question! Genuine question! Is there no wiring behind that?
Find out later.
Genuine question. No, wiring's on the inside, aren't they? You're safe. Good man.
Well, it does
Send it for
run up
doors,
against the
it's a
side. Oh, well, it's through. I know you can do it now.
I just want to see his little panicky face. Dead cute. Hey Sheldon, you're dead good at that, aren't you?
That fucking skin is thick at all.
Need a wide arch kit fitting. See us. We'll fuck it up.
Fucked it on UK, mate. All about NamelessUK wide arch kit.
Twisty cap, you need this to smoke. Right, Ellen, as you can see, he's having a beer. That's an alcoholic beverage. That means he's allowed to smoke, so we got you.
What's this? Serve this.
Sorry, Daddy, don't watch this. Aww.